everybody, welcome to Garlic Fest, next installment of cooking stinky food at home. We're here at Black and Blue where the chef's going to show you how to whip up some stinky goodness for you and your family at home. Come on in. Hi everybody, Joe with Garlic Fest, here with Armando at Black and Blue. I hope you got your ingredients together from the ingredient list because he has a fabulous stinky dish to show you how to make at home this weekend. So we can't have you downtown for Garlic Fest, but you can have your own Garlic Fest at home. Armando, what are we going to make for everybody today?
We're going to do pan-seared scallops with cream lemon garlic sauce. So we can start show you this scallops. Heat it on the pan. Has to be very hot, doesn't stick in the pan. And then we start making the scallops, make the sauce, and make the.
Okay, so you put something on the scallops there.
Yes, we do salt and pepper. It's always because sometimes you don't put the salt, that's the reason.
Okay.
So letting heat the pan, so the oil doesn't be like really hot because you're gonna burn the sauce.
Okay.
So it has to be just nice and
hot but not smoky.
Yes. Yes, pan-seared. There. Okay, so put one side first. You have to many times, just let it cook. How long do you think? It's taking like say 1 minute each side. So take it off. Okay, the next step. So the main thing is that.
So you keep the same oil?
Yes, that's a little bit up on butter.
How much more do you want to?
It's on garlic. So you see the garlic cooking now. Then make it nice golden brown. Add the wine, lemon juice, cream. Make the sauce with a lot of flavor. When it's almost thick, you put down, you add the Parmesan cheese and then you add the pasta. So you can, the sauce get a little bit thicker, not water. You can see you can smell the nice flavor of garlic.
Smells delicious.
Okay, add the Parmesan cheese. Make the sauce. There.
Oh, it smells like heaven.
Sauce is nice. You know, like just to get nice and soft. Now you have pasta, garlic, cheese. Stuff. Okay, you put it up.
Okay, and then we have our garlic pan-seared scallops over fettuccine.
Now I get to try this delicious dish. And really, you guys are going to have to make this at home because as beautiful as it looks, oh my gosh, you should smell it. It's amazing. This kitchen smells like garlic heaven right now. All right, let me get some of this together. See if I know how to eat it. Oh, really? That is so delicious.
Yeah, it's a simple dish. You don't have to go crazy. Do a lot of extra stuff in
The
there.
simple is fresh food,
Yes.
cooked fast. This is everything that Garlic Fest is about. Our wonderful Easton chefs, these beautiful meals that they make. So please don't miss out on Garlic Fest this year. Get the ingredients together and come cook with Chef Armando and make this delicious, delicious meal. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you for making the video and see all these people at home enjoy this Garlic Fest.